Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hippo. In today's video we are going to take a closer look at three main ways to define a function: regular function, declaration, function expressions, and arrow function. Even though they use different syntax, they do the same thing, like they define a block that can be used later in the code. Let's take a closer look at how each one works. Function declarations. First is a standard function declaration. This syntax has been in JavaScript since the beginning. You must use the keyword of function and then your function name, parentheses, and open a block. To call it, just use the function name followed by parentheses. In this example, like func name, parentheses, and it's called. Function declarations are hoisted in JS so they can be used before they are defined. One key thing about function declarations is that the name is required. Function expression. Next up is function expressions. Here we assign an anonymous function to a variable like const func name equal to function parentheses and open block. To call it, use the variable name just as above, like function declarations. Hey, the key difference between declarations is that the name is optional here. Arrow function. Lastly, we have arrow functions. This is shorthand syntax introduced in ES6. Like above, const func name equal to parentheses equal and this symbol and then open a block. Or even shorter, const func name equal to parentheses equal this symbol and your one line statement. Arrow functions are great for short function. The name is also optional when using arrows. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.